What's up, guys? This video is going to be a good one. A lot of fish caught. Fishing with my buddy Tyler today. We just got done, so just got to clean everything up, putting the boat up and all that. But it's going to be a good video, guys. Thanks for the love that you guys showed on the last video. Always hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll keep pumping these videos out. So the bluegill are actually on beds right now, so we're not really doing any brim fishing or bluegill fishing. They're bedding up literally right where all those bass were bedding. So Timothy's gonna be getting his brim videos started back up soon, staying in an ant pile, so that's great. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and as always, hit the like, subscribe button, and we'll see you on future videos. Now, you will see the first clip you see will be me yesterday fishing off the dock, showing a bass that I caught, and the release. So it's going to be a little short video, and then we're going to jump into today's video. And I think the first fish is a giant tilapia. It was huge, 10+ pound tilapia that Tyler caught to start us off. So guys, again, thanks for the support, thanks for the love, and go fishing, man. Go fishing. It's probably not gonna be an outro, unfortunately, because it's getting nighttime. So guys, if you've watched the whole video, thank you. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. What's up, guys? Just out here fishing today, and just hooked into a nice bass. Little 2-pounder here, using a little jig. Gonna get the release for you, and we're gonna send her on its way. Swam right off. There she goes.
Guys, I'm not gonna show you the fish yet, but I want to say we're out here bass fishing, and my buddy Tyler just slams this tilapia. Look at this thing. Look at the blues. This thing is mammoth. Dude. And it fought.
Oh yeah.
Guys, watch yourself. Whoa, don't cut me.
That's a heavy freaking fish, man.
Oh my god. Well, we're gonna get this big girl back in the water, and stay tuned. Holy crap.
Alright, guys, here's the release on this big girl. There she goes.
That's a big fish.
Bro, awesome. Back at it a couple casts later. Tyler hooks up with our first bass of the day.
Came up and smoked it on top. Right?
Oh, literally, he was flipping it under these trees right here, and before it just hit the water, that bass hammered it. So remember, whatever we catch, we'll show you guys. Stay tuned. Tyler's hooked up here. Good little bass. Florida largemouth. About a pound and a half. Shy of 2 probably. A healthy fish. Nice dark color, white belly. And he got him on a blue and black swirl Cinco, little yum dinger. Pretty fish. Go get bigger. We caught him off that down tree right there. Putting these little Cincos in there and catching them. Working this tree line and having fun. Still not excited as that dang tilapia though. So, but we'll show you more as soon as we catch them. Little guy. On the Cinco worm. There he goes. Got Tyler with another one. I'm back here fooling around. Another little dink.
Alright guys, so I'm on the board. Got a little dink right here. Caught him on that little green pumpkin, Bama bug and blue. So let's get him back in the water. I can't really show the way the camera, but here we go. There he goes. Stay tuned.
Tyler's hooked on one right now. Doing for more. Tyler hooked up again. Another little dinky. Largy. Crushing it. I'm so happy I got that on camera. This fish done did the revert of all reverts.
Threw him out and jumped back in.
He hit the water and then jumped back into the boat. So that's 2 bass in 1 cast. You guys, tell me if you've heard this one before. Tyler caught another one. Black and blue. There he goes. Great job, bud. And another one. Later, buddy. There he goes. Tyler on the board again. Kicking my butt. Good thing we ain't doing a competition. Because if we were doing a competition, I would be fishing for real. That's what it is. Being nice.
You heard it, YouTube. Next time.
You don't want to challenge me. I'm being nice. This is my look. I know where everything's at. So
On video, challenge accepted. Right now. Next time.
hit the like button if you want to see Tyler versus Eric 1v1 fishing. I'm gonna have to make him bring his little kayak over here.
You know it'll happen.
Destroyed. Hit the like button if you want to see that. Back at it again. Same bait. Black and blue. Another large. Tyler's killing it today. Sunday, it's your day. Yeah, pretty fish, man. All these fish are healthy. All the ones we've caught are really healthy. So I have 3 for the day, and see, I'm just being a good host. That's all I'm doing. Just a good friend. He's been down on his luck lately. Hasn't caught a lot of fish. I'm just kidding.
Y'all saw the last video.
You saw the last video. He destroyed it. So we're gonna keep at it. Hopefully, I'll catch the big fish for today, and that'll make up for it. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So Tyler got hung up on his log up here, and the fish actually bit it. So we actually have a fish on right now.
So the fish is right here.
Still on? Underneath it?
The things that happen, right? Make a back cast, backlash.
Kind of film all this. Darn reverse. I see him. I'm gonna spin it. crappy filming. Nice fish, buddy. This is our tree fish. Here, just cut the line. Huh? Sorry for my hand blocking it away. Look at that. Nice little. That's the biggest of the day so far. It might be.
Close.
Close to the biggest. Did he swallow it?
Yeah, he swallowed it under this plastic out in front of you. Take my tungsten back too there, sir. Thank you.
Nice change. Alright, surprise, surprise. Tyler's hooked up again with a little bit better fish. On that same black and blue Yumdinger, Cinco, whatever you want to call it.
Get your pliers.